Stay still, okay? Just please stay still. Come closer to daddy, come on.
Okay.
Come closer to daddy. The last video Adil was doing bad. As you can see by his watch, I'm going to put my finger. Come on, give me one bite, please. I want one bite, please. Can I have one bite, please? Can I have one bite, please? Can I have one bite, please? So basically, this is like our toy, you know? You could do anything to her. Basically, she'll do that with the mouth, but look, there's no biting. Look. There's no biting at all. It's only cleaning. It's only cleaning. I trust this one with all my heart. Come on, step up. Step up. Good boy. Good boy.
We can definitely like this one.
Look. I wanted to show him that. Look. Even Baisa, well, let me show you something. Look at this. It's not biting me. Normally, they'll go crazy.
Exactly.
When you do this, they go crazy.
I know. This one's so good and funny.
Can I just do this? Oh, you're such a good boy. I'm going to touch your body whether you like it or not. I love you, that's what. Can I touch your beak? Yeah, you're so nice. Come on, give me one bite,
could
please.
Definitely like that one, Dad.
It's so nice, I
swear.
It's
so nice. I want this.
Baba, let's see. If this person don't take it, you can have it, okay?
Yes.
I kept this one for you anyway. Let's see. If not, Daddy will give you another one. We're lucky. We get lots, Baba. Come on.
Exactly.
Let other people enjoy as well.
But what is he an expert?
Who?
The guy that's getting him.
He knows about birds a little bit. He's not silly.
Is he breeding he breeding them? He just wants to keep them.
He just wants to keep a bird, that's it.
How does he have
any?
Does he have parrots?
He just licks your hands and that. Does
he have
that
parrots
process
then?
where he doesn't understand what is biting. Go, bite me. Bite me. Bite me. Bite me. Come on. Bite me. Bite me. Come on. Bite me. See, there's no anger in him. Come on. Get up. Immediately. Immediately. Come on.
That's sharp. It's 2 minutes and 9.
As you can see, that's fine, son. Look. As you can see, the wings. You could touch any part of the body. Even I'll show you the feet. Look at this, Baisabi. I'll show you. Look, I'm holding on to the feet. Go fly. 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 You can't fly because I'm holding on to your feet, okay? I'm holding on to your feet.
What's this?
Basically, you could be rough with this one, and it's not going to do nothing to you. Look. It's not going to do nothing to you. Come on, get up to the top. What's your good boy? Now, what else can I tell you, Basically, you won't get friendlier than that. Now, commands and everything, step up is not important for me. Important for me is touching. If you can't touch a bird like this, if you can't do this to a bird, there's no point. That's the way I see it. Step up is nothing. Any bird will step up in 1 week. The main thing is that how friendly it is.
That's just like 2 minutes and
So I cast this as super tame anyway. This is for me. This is super tame or semi tame, whatever you call it. But is you okay? Can I be rough with you?
100%.
Can I be rough with you? Are you gonna let me be rough with you?
Of course.
You're joking, my baby.
Dad, you can definitely kiss this one.
Of course, this one is the best, son. The only reason we haven't been touching it for 2 weeks.
What?
I love this one, son. Go on, you can show him our coat as well.
Yeah.
Hey, Peeky Poo.
Yeah.
Oh, Peeky Poo, what are you doing up there?
No.
Poo Poo, what are you doing up there, Poo Poo?
We need a poo.
I know, Winnie the Pooh. As you can see, I have another African grey.
You got a beard.